You ready for your beautiful love heart face paint? Oh, how amazing are you? Are you having a good time? It's a fun party. Close your eyes, beautiful. Oh, well done. Well done.
It's Patrick's birthday.
It sure is. Birthdays are pretty cool.
But I saw the party bag.
Oh, did you? You saw the party bag already? Oh, how'd you see the party bag?
I saw something in it.
Oh, what'd you see in the party bag?
A toy.
A
And a
toy.
rainbow lollipop.
Holy moly. And you might get one of those. You're very lucky. Okay, super still for your love heart. Oh, it's a beautiful one, this one. What a great choice. Amazing. Doing good. All right, are you ready? We're going to make all the beautiful pieces of the lovely love heart. It's a real favourite, this one. I love it. Okay, super still. Yep, well done. Super still. Well done. Very clever. Other side. Well done. Good job. Almost there. Is pink your favourite colour? Oh, it's mine too. Okay, good job. You're doing really well. Good job. Close your eyes for glitter, sweetie. Alrighty. Alrighty, I'm going to outline your beautiful love heart. Alright, are you ready? You ready? The last step. It's going to look so beautiful. Good job. Is that relaxing? Does it tickle? Well done. Good job. Last bit. You're doing so well. Well done. Ooh, I see you every time. Well done. All right, do you want some glitter? How awesome. Okay, darling, let's put some lovely sparkles and you'll be done. Do you want to help me call the next name on the big megaphone? That'll be fun. Now, what would you like as a balloon? Do you want a flower balloon, some fairy wings, or a puppy dog?
I want a flower.
Okay, would you like to have a look in the mirror? Yay! You look amazing! High five, beautiful girl. Alrighty.